Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mbabane Dlamini. On today's video I'll be doing just a vlog. I'm at Mbabane right now. My mom, like I've told you in some videos before, that she's a tailor and she has her customers here, so she's here to deliver their clothes. She usually takes the public transport, but today it is very cold and I didn't want her to go out in this cold. She might catch flu and stuff like that, so I brought her here and I'm with my brother Nati. Let me show you Nati. This is Nati. So right now we are in the car. We went to the shops and it is cold outside. My hands are freezing and I made tea at home, so I'm going to have my tea right now because like I'm very cold. I couldn't even vlog for you. I went to Mr. Price. I tried to vlog just a little, but it's awkward to carry the camera outside and people will feel like you are just invading their privacy. So I vlogged a little at Mr. Price and then I went to church. I didn't vlog there. I went to Legit, I went to Sports Scene, and I also went to shops. Like I'm looking for sneakers, so I went to Sports Scene, Century and Total Sports, but nothing caught my eyes. Excuse me, I'll try again some other time. I also went to ID just to see stuff, but nothing interested me, and I'm glad that nothing interested me because I was about to like buy something on credit because like I didn't have the money. So thank God nothing caught my eyes. And yeah, so that is my day. We're in the car right now. Mom is at Clicks. She has a lot of customers at Clicks and they are buying, so we're waiting for her to come back and then we'll go to Lilunga. Here at Lilunga building she takes time when she's there. So I brought my books. I'll be reading, guys. I have an exam to write in July, so I'll just sit down and read while she's busy with her customers. I hope we'll go home like before 5, because like I miss my blanket already. I had to wake up early so that I can take her here. So that is the day I'm having. And we bought something from Hungry Lions. We don't have money, so we bought something for 30 malangeni. There is burger. Let me sanitize my hands. So I brought my sanitizer. I want to see what is inside. We are going to share. I just wanted the meat, so Nati will have to take the burger. And I think we're going to buy fish and chips later when my mom comes back. We'll have to buy food together so that we can eat. But for now we are hungry and she's not here, so we're going to have this snack with Nati. So we went to Hungry Lions opposite ID, and I got like this 30 malangani food. I hope you can see. It's a chicken burger. And here, inside this, I was hoping for a drumstick, but we have this. Did they put 4 chips inside? Wow. So we're going to snack on this, and then we'll buy like real food when mom comes back. And she also bought us maize. I'm eating my maize right now in the car while we wait. So that is what we're doing. Yeah, man. Nami naso silokho semotweni. Okay. Mom is outside the car and she didn't know we were inside. London. What's that song, sweetie man? About song?
Don't try that to them going to the over country. Yeah, I know.
Pas não estou para dar o tiro, não vou para dar para ninguém mais estou vendo.
Vamos fazer uma dessa blue. Vamos fazer uma dessa blue. O que é essa blue? Uma 20 rand blue na. Não dá nada.
Não, nós ficamos 4. Eu fico mal.
Eu fico mal 4.
Mano.
Ele aqui. Dena ibuya.
Niyo phela ngiyongele. Lo sigoce kanjalo lo short ikhona ngike ngathatha khona. Bese silambile thina sibuya kusithengana kuma snacks kwa 30 rand. Mala snack sonke. Asahambe ngiyobhadala le ticket ngiyabona.
Ikhona ngiyangithola.
Nayilani.
Kanti ngimali.
Angilathi.
I'm must have one of them.
Eh.
I'm about to.
Yabona. Awathe sibambelelana kwa. Lapha nje ngiyenza nje khona lona lo njengombhale kani wathi kimi uqala wangibhadala abangakambhadala. Bathi abuta mbheka le file uzowaphendula mlabalaba.
Ngudlona. Sanitize again. We are at Lulunga house. I thought it was Lulunga building, but no, it's Lulunga house. My mom just went in to drop some of her orders. And she's angry. Apparently there is a lady, Loamnoka imali. Like, why bantu bathi bayongathi hlonipheka so eboneni. Umtsotsa njanje umuntu lomdzala umtsotse 60 rand. Like 60 rand. Ufune kubanjelwa umuntu inhlitiyo impilo yakho yonke for 60 rand. Okay, so atithethe ke impahla. Uthi utatfola mahala wena. Ngikuphi la uyakhona store vele sasini khona mahala. Okay, uyambuka umbona ngathi maybe sarkwati, maybe umbona ngathi vele uyahluphekela or whatever lokubona kuna umbuka. And then uvangazothi you just take things and then you come back and tell you that I paid. When you know very well you did not pay. Like, I'm disappointed at some people. She is angry. My mom is very angry. Apparently this lady is now asking for other clothes. Like, she's placing her orders. And mom says she's not going to make those things for her because she lied. She lied. She said she paid her and she did not pay her. Even to this day, she did not pay her. Like, people have to respect themselves. Like, come on. Noma bekuthiwa like ngubona umncane kunami noma umdala ugugile noma ubona sunemali noma ubona sulibele stuff like that. I just wouldn't like crook you. I'm so angry right now. I wish I can see this lady she's talking to. I mean, she's talking about. Ngiyabanza namuhla. I hope ngizethe ingubeni ngigqokile. It is cold. I feel bad for people who are like working, who are going to work every day. It's nice to be a teacher right now because we are home. Even though it is bad for the students because like, especially the form 3s and 5s and in grade 7, they are still going to write their exams and yet they are behind with the syllabus. I brought my books, so I'm studying right now. And I'm eating my maize. Have to get that raw fish. Please donate a pen for me. So yeah, while waiting for mom, I'm going to study. I'm sure I can pick up a few things. Ingosa singone tekungana mengifuna ku download something. Ifone. Hawu yebonini. Ibhetri yami abancane ngakangowe nje kude lo mama.
Ndeni.
Awuzubele kuphuma uyangena lecingo lami. Le mfana ngifuna ukuyi-download nje ngiyi-download ke. I want to do a TikTok. So this is what happens when I'm studying. I then think of things like, now I want to do a TikTok. Like, can you imagine? I have an exam to write, but I'm thinking about TikTok. Are you on TikTok? Please comment below and tell me what your handle is on TikTok and I'll go and follow you. Well, mom is back. I hope we are leaving now. I mean, I did not start. I'll be lying if I can say I started. I did not.
Manje asengakuva lo bhuti. Kodwa usana nalicingo lapha endasi. Ngiyakuva lapha kaFinco.
Oh, okay.
Hamba nana enaza. Ngisebahambile masilela.
When I said my mom is coming back, well, she was coming back, but now she's gone again. I came in prepared. The car is cold, so I bought my throw. Going to cover myself. Being a tailor's kid, they straight here. So I've learned from experience, because like I'm used to bringing mom here and I would stay in the car for hours and hours and hours. Like, I do have an option of going to the shops, but it's like I don't want to go to the shops if I didn't plan to go to the shops. And like, I don't want to end up using money that was not meant for whatever I'll be buying in the shops. So I usually stay in the car and just be on my phone, or today I am just reading. Why do individuals commit fraud? It's one of the things I have to know before I sit for my exam. What forms can fraud take? So here's mom. I think we're going home now.